For sale today is a Clawson Colchester 1550 lathe. This machine has just been serviced. Oil in the headstock has been changed. The gear feeds have been changed. The cross slide compound has all been disassembled, cleaned, verified oil in like it should. You can see the ways, super nice condition, very little wear on this machine. We have the thing at 470 RPMs. Spindle runs nice and quiet. This is a 10-inch, 3-jaw Pratt Bernard chuck. Brake works as it should. We have reverse. We'll up the speed here for you. This is 1500 RPMs. Try a couple other speeds here for you. 840. Run our feeds. The nice thing about this, you can adjust your direction of feeds right here at the carriage. You can change from longitudinal to cross feed. If you have any other questions about any other tool room equipment or this Clawson Colchester lathe, give Brandon a call at Varney Machine. Thank you.